Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at some of these charts then, shall we? I'll just get rid of that. And we'll be looking at Link first of all. We'll move on to other things on other videos. So first of all, Link has done extremely well. I think the video I made the other day was just a couple of days ago, just on this candle here. And what I'd noticed was that we had a cross on this one here on the Ichimoku cloud, suggesting that there's going to be continuation of this move. However, because of the nature of the market, with Bitcoin looking as droopy as it was, I did feel like it was worth waiting to see if it came back down again before it shot back up. I didn't expect it to make this move straight away, although this chart did look bullish. Feel free to obviously check the video I made a couple of days ago on Link. I mean, I think I called it Link looking very, very bullish. So I was quite clear about the future of it, but I didn't expect it to do this. I wanted it to consolidate first of all down to around about the centre of the Bollinger Band before it made a launch, but it certainly has peaked way ahead of schedule, meaning that I unfortunately missed out on this one. So is it too late to jump on board? Well, I'm not a financial advisor, it's not financial advice, but what I would say is the nature of the way that these Ichimoku clouds work, which is one of my favourite tools to spot a continuation of a move, is that once you have a cross of the baseline over the conversion line, then you've got a couple of hurdles ahead of you. First of all, you've got to break above. If the cloud is above you, it means that you are going to get a continuation, but you're likely to find strong resistance throughout the cloud. It's always sort of one of the main rules is never to buy or sell if the price action is inside the cloud. Okay, so basically, if you've missed this move, unfortunately you've missed it. And the wick did poke way above the cloud, but it's retracing to stay within it. So it to me would suggest that it's likely to come back within this cloud again, especially with Bitcoin wanting to retrace still. We've had moves on Link, we've had good moves on it, definitely. And the continuation does look very, very likely, but to be buying it at this level right now is, it's up to you however long you want to hold on to it, to be honest with you. It's your call. Link's got a good setup, there's no question about it, and given enough time, buying it at this level will be a drop in the ocean, but it's all about time, really. If you want to get in a good allocation, or if you just want to be careful, or if you're margin trading it especially, I wouldn't really want to be buying it now, to be honest with you, at this level. But if you're looking to hold on to actual Link tokens, then feel free to buy it. It's your money, but like I say, I'm not advising you to do anything. This is what I would do if I were you. As we're sort of finding it not hard, but we're sinking back into the cloud, I would expect a little bit of a retracement perhaps. There's no specific level, to be honest with you, of where that retracement will go down to, but the main thing is don't be buying it within a cloud. Once we've broken above the cloud, then we've got all this target here from this level we're at now, which is $2.20, up to our next levels of resistance, which I believe to be these areas, which would be $2.45 and up to $2.62. If these areas get taken out, then we probably would be expecting some massive moves again with Link, really big moves probably, because at that point there we're pretty much peaked from our areas of significant resistance, meaning that there will probably be a lot of FOMO in after that point. But at this moment now, you can see it's retracing now. We're going to be floating around this area. And this isn't on a daily chart now, so judging the fact that it's a daily chart, we really need to see how this daily candle closes, and I would expect it to close within this cloud. Now, if it doesn't close within the cloud, then we're bullish, basically. We're continuing this move, and we're continuing it up to these levels here before we are likely to be rejected. But, we have had a big wick through there, so there is a chance of continuation, but it's not an area to be buying at. That said, we have to always look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin does govern the price action in general. And looking at Bitcoin, we're continuing the move that we have been expecting this whole time, which is for us to start to dip into this support zone here, and this is probably going to be continued into next week, finding more wicks, just like these, going in there, bouncing back up, but this would be the first time that it looks like a candle is likely to close within the support zone, which is again what we've been expecting to happen. We want to see, well, I say it's not what we want, it depends how you look at this, but whatever, this is a bearish trend that we got with Bitcoin. It's definitely bearish. We had a cross up here, we had a significant sell-off, and we're probably going to have continuation until it reaches a significant support level, which I believe to be down at this level, all the way down to this level here, which is at least on this one here, which is 6,700 or 6,600. Once those areas have been tested, I do expect a reversal at that point. Once that's reversed, then we can start to talk about sort of buying it back and sort of meeting levels of resistance on the way back up again. But at the moment, we just want this move to play out, find ourselves a bottom, and then once we've got the bottom, then we can sort of, like I say, reassess the situation. But you know, when the market's bearish like this, when Bitcoin's bearish like this, you just have to be wary of moves like this taking place with Link, because Link is obviously showing enormous strength. And if it wasn't for the state of the market, I would have been buying it back here and not waiting for it to pull back. But you know, like I say, I've missed out. So we can keep looking at Link, and we'll look at Link for the next, well, indefinitely now. It's proved itself to be a strong coin in a bear market. Not that we're in a massive bear market, but you know, we've been downtrending for a long time now. And because we've been downtrending, it's difficult for any coin to uptrend, especially an uptrend like this. But this wasn't just out of the blue. Like I say, we did see it. I did make a video the other day where we did expect a continuation of the move up. I just didn't expect it so quickly. So you know, it's showing strength on the chart. It's not come out of nowhere. This was to be expected, but like I say, it took me by surprise that it happened today and at this level. In a, you know, with Bitcoin looking the way it is. So Link extremely bullish in the long term, without a doubt. One of the best looking coins on the market. But you know, if you're looking to make any significant gains on it right now, I'd just hold off for a little bit, see how this daily candle closes, and then we can look at it again tomorrow and work out what it is it's likely to do at that point. Anyway, I'll leave that one with you there, and stay tuned for more videos. And if you want me to sort of look at any specific coins, I'm very happy to do that. Just drop me a message and I'll make a video for you. It's no problem. Alright, take it easy. Thanks for watching, and see you later.